to Jalori Fan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bubblegum perfume. And all you need is a vanilla essence, a banana essence, a water, and a spray bottle. So that's it. So first, you see here's our water. You're just gonna put some banana essence first. Take a cup, then just pour it in, and a little coloring and a little tasty. I know that all essence was like not really tasty, especially if it's not yet cooked. Let's try it today. Now you'll see that you will have the color, and then what you want to do is to you can see that, and what you want to do is just mix it up. That's well mixed. I think it's already well mixed for now. So now you're just be needing to pour it up here slowly. Or if you want to get the spray, for the water, it's because of the spray. So sorry, really. And now quickly with this just only pour it up here. This. There's not much choice. If you want to make your invention, if you want to make your invention more smelling like bubblegum, then just pour a little bit more vanilla essence and so on. Okay, I already did it. So let's just mix it. If you want to make about 2 bottles of it, then you'll be needing 2 fourths of vanilla essence, 1 cup of 2/4 cup of vanilla essence, 1 cup of like this banana essence, 2 cups or 3 cups of water, and that's it. And some sanitizer and alcohol. You're finished. Just hold on. They're very easy. Almost full. There we go. Almost done. And all we just need to do is just pour some little bit banana because banana makes smell like bubblegum. And thank you for bringing it back. So it's very easy. So now just gonna put some more like water. And then you're done. So you have two kinds of these sprays. So first, I have this. So first, I already made two perfumes. It smells like food. This one smells like strawberry cotton candy. So I call it Cotton Fantasy. And this one, the new one, I already made one and I sell it to my friend, Maria LA Machete. And it's called Bubblegum Moist Delight. And this is my stick. Now, done. You just need to clean up the mess. This is not sticky for the head, especially. So now, if you want some like this, you can just go here in Abu Dhabi and just buy one. This Cotton Fantasy costs 15 dirhams and this one costs 20 dirhams because it started the on this one